Look at where you are right now. You aren't just tired. You are carrying the heavy weight of constant overstimulation. Your phone, the endless scrolling, the cheap escapes. They have quietly trained your brain to choose instant, numbing comfort over your own inner peace. And that is why you feel so drained, distracted, and stuck. You clicked on this video for a reason, because deep down, you know you are caught in a cycle that is slowly breaking your spirit. Every night you promise yourself just one last time, and the very next day, you break that promise to yourself again. And slowly, piece by piece, you feel like you are losing yourself. Because when you are fighting a quiet war against your own mind, you don't just feel tired, you feel utterly empty. No one talks about this part. So please listen to me carefully. You are not broken, and you do not have a discipline problem. You have an overwhelmed, hijacked mind. And if you don't take your power back now, your tomorrow will be a painful reflection of your yesterday. In the next few minutes, I am going to share a gentle but powerful system to take back control of your mind, your energy, and your heart. Watch this until the end, because this might be the exact moment you stop surviving and start blooming. Welcome to Bloom Within. First, the quiet reset. You pick up your phone every 10 minutes. Reels, stories, the endless scroll. Your mind is drowning in noise. Until you silence this overstimulation, temporary desires will keep pulling you away from your true self. For the next 7 days, step away from the endless scrolling. Cut out the binge watching. Let your mind experience silence and even boredom again, so that normal, beautiful things start to feel magical once more. This isn't a punishment. It is a fierce declaration of love for yourself. Second, protecting your peace. What you let into your eyes is what grows in your mind. If your feeds are filled with things that trigger your insecurities, toxic comparisons, or cheap temptations, you are setting yourself up to fall. Unfollow everyone who makes you feel heavy. Clean your digital space like your healing depends on it. Block the sites and delete the history that pull you back into the dark. Your mind is a sacred space. If you plant weeds, you cannot expect a garden. For 1 week, consume only what educates, uplifts, and heals you, and watch how those desperate urges simply fade on their own. Third, releasing heavy energy. Move your body until the heavy thoughts have nowhere left to hide. When energy sits unused inside you, it turns into anxiety and the desperate need to escape. The solution? Tire your body out so beautifully that it doesn't even have the space to crave what harms it. Go for a long run, stretch, or walk until the sun sets. When your muscles are physically exhausted, your mind finally gets a break from the noise. Channel your deep, beautiful life force into your growth, not your escapes. Fourth, mindful redirection. When a craving hits, fighting it with guilt is exhausting, but redirecting it is empowering. The moment you feel the urge to numb yourself, pause. Wash your face with cold water. Step outside and breathe the fresh air. Call someone you love. An urge is just a wave in the ocean. If you wait 10 to 15 minutes, it will break and pass. But if you sit with it and think just a little bit, you will drown again. Do not see these urges as your enemies. See them as signals. They are just reminding you that you have powerful energy inside you. Now choose exactly where that energy goes. Fifth, embracing the quiet. An empty, idle mind is where our old shadows love to play. Most times we fall backward. It isn't because the urge was too strong. It is because we were bored. You are alone, there is nothing to do, and suddenly the old thoughts creep in. That is why you need a plan for your quiet moments. Keep a beautiful book next to your bed. Start learning that skill you've always dreamed of. When boredom strikes, you should already know what brings you joy. An idle mind invites chaos, but a purposeful mind builds a sanctuary. Stop giving your old demons a home inside your head. So ask yourself right now, who are you really? If your answer is, I am someone who always loses to my habits, then you will keep losing. But the moment you look in the mirror and decide, I am the one who fiercely protects my mind and my heart, the entire story changes. Self-control isn't some unattainable superpower. It is the purest form of self-love. If you don't guide your own life, the world will guide it for you. Your struggles do not define your weakness. They just show you exactly where you need to heal. Decide right now. And if you are ready to become the beautiful, unstoppable soul you were always meant to be, comment "I am ready" below. Before you leave, like this video and subscribe to Bloom Within. Your healing journey starts today.